strong.
Hey guys, Listen here, back for another video, and this video I'm actually really excited. Today we are going to be opening up the Pokemon Celebrations Elite Trainer box. And just so this box already look at the logo and the Pikachu tail. And what makes this different to other boxes is we have 5 Pokemon TCG Celebration 4 booster packs and 5 additional packs. And we get a Black Star Greninja. Now, I've had my eye on this for a while. I just never had a chance to look what's actually inside it. But yeah, there's a lot of cool cards that I actually wouldn't mind having. Let's just we'll just pop that over there. Good. Let's have a look at the like all these cards we could pull. And it's just hang on, I'll get to the actual set. Here we go. Yeah, but then we have each of the Pikachus flying and surfing. And their V and V Maxes. And then we got chances of getting a Mew, and then Charizard, Blastoise, and Venusaur, God of War, Mew, Mewtwo, a shiny Magikarp. Man, I'm so excited. So we have our nice dividers. They actually look really nice. I like they have all the stars just chilling on there. Energies, code card, sleeves, and we have our Black Star Greninja, which looks very nice. With the ability Shadow Knife. When you play this Pokemon from your hand onto the bench during your turn, you may put a damage counter on one of your opponent's Pokemon. So you can go up there. God, that reminds me, I got some sleeves for this. BRB. Okay, I had no idea where I was gonna. I have no idea where I put my white sleeves, but well, we're gonna use these nice purple sleeve, non-glare, and then our like little booklet of how to play a card game. Our acrylic counters and our dice, nice white, pink, and then our see-through yellow one, with I assume with the celebrations. No, with a symbol that I will not try and guess what it is. And now, our packs. Now, 5. We should have 10 celebration packs with 4 cards. Each of these packs contains only 4 cards, and then we have a Battle Styles, Freezing Chilling Region, Vivid Voltage, and 2 Darkness Ablaze packs. So we're gonna open up these ones first. I have my trusty pack opener, some scissors, but I always make sure to only snip the top, because yeah, don't want to cut cut into the cards. So there's a code for you online players. Like I remember, I actually recently opened up the just as a fun, I didn't really make a video on it, but I did open up the Dragon IV, and I actually pulled. If I can actually grab him, where is he? Yeah, actually, first pack, I actually opened up one of these. This was the only like real card I pulled, but it was kind of funny that now I have a Rainbow VMAX Rillaboom, which is actually kind of funny. So, interesting to see what cards we pull out of here. Darkness Ablaze. It's probably my second most opened set. I think Sword and Shield set's probably my most opened, because I still think there are good cards in that set. But yeah, this set did not include any of the Evolving Skies. Oh, this is a white card. Such a good card. I love breeders. Okay, we get a full art? Nope, we got ourselves a Houndoom V. I'll put him over there. Now, Vivid Voltage is actually the set I've opened up the least. I bought a booster box, but that entire file was corrupted, so I couldn't actually upload it. Made me very angry and sad. But yeah, I opened up Boxer and just gave up. I know I've opened a few packs here and there, but yeah, it just got me really annoyed. So what dankness can we pull? Oh, we have even got to celebrations and we've already pulled a VMAX Pikachu. That deserves a sleeve. There we go. You can go over the Houndoom. Actually, Doggo, Fiery Doggo, come over here. There we go. Oh, Pikachu can go there. Do Battle Styles next. We'll go in order. I'm pretty sure I've been going in order. Darkness Blaze, wasn't it? The third set? Because it was Sword and Shield, and then we had Rebels Clash. And then it was Darkness Ablaze and Vivid Voltage. I think that's in order. Now, what have we got? We got ourselves a Steelix. Now, for our last pack out of our regular packs. Oh, there we go. Ooh, green code card, so there you guys go. I don't know if I pulled many full arts from this set. I don't think I've really pulled anything major from this set. Let's see if it changes now. Nope. Oh, go look though. Go look. Okay, that's it from the regular packs. If I just move, it will be funny if I actually pull one of each of the VMAXs. So I've got regular Pikachu here, surfing, and surfing and flying. I have no idea if these cards have an order to them. We'll use this pack as an experiment. We'll put that card there, maybe the special card, I don't know. Oh, we got ourselves a Groudon, Ho-Ho, and a Palkia. And are you anything special? Oh, we got ourselves a Mew. Oh, I'm actually really happy. Yeah, each card, I want to say each card is hollow, and each card has the 25 mark on it. Pretty sure it's the last card has the pretty sure the last card is like the big card. Can't actually open this pack up. So let's see. Let's see if it is. Oh, we have why I can never pronounce this guy's name. I never could. Oh, we have Cosmo. And oh, maybe it's the third card in. Maybe it's the third card in. We have Cynthia's Garchomp. Look at that. What's this one? Oh my god, we have the boy, we have our man, Professor Oak. Oh, both of you are getting sleeved. Oh my god. Look at Professor Oak. Look at that. And Garchomp too. Garchomp deserves respect too because he is scary. Oh, this is actually sorry, I don't have face cam on because it doesn't work with this light. It's actually 20 to 12 at night, and yeah, my camera doesn't like the lighting. So yeah, we'll keep putting the card, like the last card down. And we have Zekrom, Kyogre, Best Fish, and we have Reshiram. Hey, John. I'm happy with this outcome. I am quite happy with that outcome. And this card is, we have Flying Pikachu. God, Flying Pikachu's getting sleeved. So we'll put the foils down here and we'll just, yeah, there we go. Is there a card I personally want? That's the thing. Is there a card I really want personally? On the top of my head, I actually do not know. Oh, that was that cool. Hey, Dialga. And oh, we have Cleffer. Oh, really old Cleffer. You are definitely getting. Yeah, anything with this like foiling, I'm gonna sleeve. And then also I'm gonna sleeve all the Pikachus. Alright, of course, I almost forgot. It slightly kind of went inside of the playmat. I just forgot I was there. Oh, hello, Lumina. But yeah, having Professor Oak, yes, thank you, which is always going to be a best way to start off. Yeah, another Dialga. And what a good timing, because your game is almost coming out. Oh, Palkia too, nice. Oh, hello, ho ho. And you are, oh, Solgaleo. So far, we have not seen any of the other cards like God of War, Blastoise, Charizard, Venusaur. We haven't seen any of the full arts too. But I'm very happy I'm actually finally opening up the set. Hey, Lugia! There we are. Another Reshiram. And this card is another Flying Pikachu. Kind of hoping for maybe Surfing Pikachu. Come on, give me the VMAXs of them so I can go with my Pikachu VMAX. How do I put you there? There we go. Ah, another Kyogre with a Team Aqua. Hey, Xerneas and Groudon. Hey, we pull Kyogre and Groudon in the same pack. And this. Hey, the OG Fat Pikachu. Oh, you are OG Pikachu, hell yeah. Joy, you're going up there. It's mostly Pikachu on screen. Last, what was it, 4 packs? Last 3 packs. Ugh. What can our last packs give us? No Lugia. Cosmo. And Vianto, whatever we say. And our last, and this card. Hey, it's a regular Professor's. Oh, hey, Professor's Research. Nice. Nice. For a second, I thought it was another Professor Oak full art. Definitely, yeah, 2 more packs. Okay. 4. Oh. So yeah, let's remove this over there. And Dialga is the next card poke here. No. And what are you? Oh, we've got the God of War. We got the fire type God of War. Oh my god, the foiling's insane. I can barely see God of War. Oh. You are getting sleeved. At that. You can barely see God of War. Oh my god. I'm happy with God of War. God of War is one of my favourite Pokemon. Second favourite other than first. Oh, we got the Surfing Pikachu VMAX. Oh, we got... Ah. All we need now is this to be the flying. And we have it. Okay. So, this card over there for good luck. First card, good old Reshiram. Xerneas, Cosmo, with a Sleepy Lily, and our last card. Can we end this with a really nice? Can we end this with Flying Pikachu VMAX? Nope, we've ended as we started with a Professor's Research. Ah. So, starting off with a VMAX Pikachu, and then Professor Lair, Professor's Research, Professor Oak, to then having like these. I'm actually really happy. I want to open up more of this set. I really do. So I can have more chances of pulling other cards. But I know someone who would really love to have this card. So, yeah, thank you guys for sharing my first experience with this set. And I may think about doing some more in the future. So yeah, stay tuned for them, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.